How to add fade in and fade out effects in Ocean Audio. First of all, open Ocean Audio and load the audio file where you want to apply the fade effects. You can do this by dragging the file into the workspace or using the file menu to open it directly. Next, to apply the fade in effect, click and drag your mouse to select the portion at the beginning of the audio where you want the fade to occur. Once selected, go to the top menu, click on Effects, then hover over Amplitude and choose Fade In. You will immediately notice the waveform tapering gradually from silence to full volume. Repeat the same process to add more fades until you are satisfied. Now, to apply the fade out effect, select the portion at the end of your audio track where you want it to fade out. Just like before, go to Effects, hover over Amplitude, and this time choose Fade Out. The waveform will now decrease gradually, giving your audio a soft ending. If you want to adjust how long the fade lasts, you can reselect the larger or smaller portion of the audio and apply the effect again. Ocean Audio will always apply the fade effect based on the selected length. And that's it. Now you know how to add fade in and fade out effects in Ocean Audio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.